Hello, welcome back. This is JANEIL hair collection, and in this tutorial I'm showing you how to take this type of AFRI Sassy hair extensions and completely transform them by cutting them into 3 sections, and the result is gonna be gorgeous. I do hope you're gonna stick around. And for every hairstyle it does tell a story, and in this case it's all about transformation and effortless beauty. Okay, so imagine you love the look of long flowing curls, but sometimes a short style is what maybe your heart desire. But the problem, most extensions are designed for length, and to find that perfect balance between volume and a natural look, sometimes it can be tricky, and that's where creativity comes in. So as you can see now, I'm beginning with a very thin braid to make this look more natural. And most of the time I go through comment section and I've seen most of y'all are complaining where you feed in the braid, it's showing on top of the line. So the secret behind it, you need to pick the hair first before you feed in the braid. I do hope you see that. So I braid a little bit and then I feed in the braid. Okay, so let me put it clearly. The braid should be tight as it goes under your thumb, and you've picked hair from your cornrows, so you go 1 and 2. See, I've picked the hair and now I'm feeding in the braid. It's as easy as that. So you only pick the hair and feed in the braid. Okay, so in this case I'm just using the same size of braid. I'm not increasing the size. Okay, if you may ask, or if you're wondering, the size that I'm using is just of the same size, and you're gonna have your line, your cornrow looking like this. So it's as easy as that. So you just need to do more practice and you're gonna perfect. So let me take this opportunity to thank you all for the support that you guys are showing me. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're watching this for the first time, feel welcome. Here we do more of beginner content, but if you feel too fast, or maybe you're not understanding what I'm trying to let you guys learn with me today, so here I'm just trying to be creative and crisscross my lines, and nothing has changed. So I'm just braiding a little bit before feeding in my first braid. And remember, I've just said you feed in a braid after picking the hair, so that you'll have that flawless and neat line, and the hair or the braid won't show on top of your line. So when it comes to crisscrossing your cornrows, so at this point I'm not going to feed in no more braid, so I'll just braid it up. Here we go. And then now I pick the hair, and then now I have to feed in the braid. Yeah, so I'm going to repeat again. You only feed in braid when you pick the hair. So that is how I do my cornrows, but this is underhand method. I don't braid over my hand, I braid under my hands, the way you're seeing. So let's go back to what I was saying before. So this style is a perfect blend with structure and flow, the way you're seeing. So feeding cornrows to the front and curls to the back. Okay, so it's a protective hairstyle and great for anyone who loves the balance of braided precision with effortless curls. So the extension that I'm using is effortless because you don't need to comb it, or let me say, it doesn't have too much work. That's why, sorry, I'm saying it's effortless curl. So yeah, today I've decided to talk to y'all because most of my videos I just let the music play, and I've seen maybe it's affecting a lot of my audience, and that's why from today I'll try my best and communicate with y'all so that you can easily understand what I'm trying to share with y'all. So please do support. You can support this video by giving it a thumbs up. You can share it with a friend, and also you can subscribe to the channel if you love creative hairstyle. Okay, so whether you're looking for a bold new look, lightweight protective style, or just a fresh twist on crochet hair, so this tutorial is for you. So up to this point, I do hope you are able to try to understand what I'm trying to let you guys learn with me today. You can give it a try, and also you can just use any extension of your choice to achieve this hairstyle. So yeah, watch the full tutorial to see how I section, braid, and install this style step by step. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you love more more creative hair tutorials like this, yeah, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You can share it with a friend, like, and comment. Up to this point, this is what I've achieved. You can see what I got after cutting the extension into 3, and this is the final product check. It's so pretty, lightweight, and it doesn't have too much to work on the curls, and yeah, you're good to go. So bye bye. I'll have to see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to join a membership to get exclusive content. So if you have any requested content, you can drop it, and I do post those type of content on YouTube membership, because not everyone is gonna watch it here on YouTube.